as you have seen from my thumbnail, we are buying our very first home. So this is the living room, the kitchen. Look at all those cabinets. It's got a lot of cabinets and countertop space. And that was the dining room. We're going to go down the hallway. And right here is going to be the kids' bathroom, which is a decent size. And then this is the office. This is going to be mine and my husband's office area. And they still have some of their stuff here. They didn't have it all out. But yeah, we're excited. And when you go out, this is going to be our son Peyton's bedroom. Not real big, decent size, but I mean, he's only got a few years left of high school, and then he's going to be off to college. So, but this is not like our forever home. This is just our starter home. And then we're going to go in to Stormy's bedroom, and it needs a little bit of work, but it's not like anything major. So I will have a lot of videos coming up on us redoing this home. Like that brown trim around the doors, that's just got to go. It's kind of messed up. And right here where that kitchen window is, that is where we want to take that window out, and we're going to put a door in right there to eventually go out to the patio area. But it just has tons of counter space and cabinets, but the only thing, it doesn't have a pantry, so I have to figure something out for that. But tons of natural lighting. Like, we did not have lights on in this house, and just tons of natural lighting. And this is the master bedroom. It is so big. It is bigger than our current room. You guys have seen our room is so small. And a walk-in closet. I love that. So I got more room to put clothes, and like that's like one of the main things I'm excited about is the walk-in closet and the bathroom. Like we have a full bath now. It's not a half bath, because in our current house it is just a half bath, and that tub, oh, I can't wait to soak in it. And then the shower is just right behind this door. But then when you walk out of the master bedroom, you go straight into the laundry room. And I like that because I don't have to walk on all the way to the other side of the house to go to the laundry room. And then that is, so this is some of the backyard. It's not the whole backyard. It's not all fenced in. And then this is the garage. I will go more detail and talk a bit more about this home that we are purchasing in my next video, which in the next few weeks, next several videos, is just going to be a lot of packing and cleaning and just getting ready for our move. And then I'm going to come over and deep clean our new home before we get moved in to it. And I hope you guys have a great Tuesday and a wonderful rest of your day, and have a wonderful weekend. Bye.